What's up, Alex from MotionLand here, and this is an overview of the latest version of the Aeviewer. So in this update, we have two major features available. The first one is we have added an ability to preview video inside the MOGRT files if the video has been added. So as you can see, all my MOGRT files have now a video preview, and if we'll check any of the default MOGRT files that are shipped with Premiere Pro or After Effects, we can also see available videos and all the previews for MOGRT files as well. So in order to add a video preview to your MOGRT files, we have created a tool called AP2MOGRT script. And over here, a new feature is available called Pro Tools. So with the Pro Tools, you can enable font style, size, and customization automatically after you will export your MOGRT file. Or you can also add video preview. In order to do that, you need to select your MPEG-4 file. And in this case, it would be Pages01, and select MOGRT file as well. And then click Update MOGRT file. Boom. After that, you will have a folder called New MOGRT. When you will enter that new MOGRT folder, you will see your MOGRT file with the video preview available. As always, these MOGRT files can be simply imported to After Effects composition with a double click. Another great news is that the free version of Aeviewer is now available for Premiere Pro as well. So you can do pretty much the same things as you did with the free version in After Effects. Like importing your video files with drag and drop to the timeline. Or you can also import Premiere Pro projects. And all imported projects will be inside the Aeviewer bin. So you can see over here all your sequences and files. Or you can also preview all audio files and import those audio files
This is a test file for
to the
MP3
Premiere Pro as
file
well.
format.
And also you can import After Effects compositions and projects and drag and drop those to the timeline as well. Also, we have fixed another issue with import files to the root folder. So now all footages that you would like to import with this checkbox will go to the root folder of the project. We have also made lots of improvements to the video server, so you should definitely get video playback speed improved. Let us know which features we should implement in the next updates and what are your favorite features so far in the comments below. Take care and see you soon.